This is Dan, King of Boatshed, welcoming you aboard this Ocean Alexander 390. We're going forward to the flybridge. All weather covers over the helming position and the upholstery. There's the Sundeck and the radar arch. And the massive foredeck. Going back down the companionway. We'll now take a trip along the side decks. Nice teak handrail. Wide side decks. Solid stanchions, no movement. Electric capstan. Walking along the side deck aft. Again, good sense of security. Teak handrails around the aft cockpit. Looking over the rear. Swim ladder, fender holders and access ladder, swim platform.